do a quick video. I went to Lids for hats, went to Sears, and I went to Home Depot. Sears, I got this 3-piece curved pry bar set. It's got a 12-inch, 17-inch, and a 25-inch. And then I got this sound level meter. This is part number 3482016. The pry bar set is part number 943288. I got a pocket light meter, which is part number 3482017. This does all the way up to 40,000 lux. The sound meter goes all the way up to from 40 to 130 decimals with 0.1 decimal resolution. I got this Craftsman Pro Series part number 3419733 Cat 4 1000 volt tester. At Home Depot, I got this Milwaukee demo driver. It's hammerable. I got this fastback press and flip utility knife. This is part number 48221985. The demo driver is part number 48222860. I got this DeWalt utility knife with the brave snap-off blades. It's a 25 millimeter from DeWalt. It is part number DWHT10045. I also got the 18 millimeter snap-off blade knife. It is part number DWHT10038. And then I got this Husky set of 6-point. I have the universal set already, and I just grabbed the 6-point set, pass-through set from Husky. It's a 30-piece 6-point pass-through. It is I'm not really sure what the part number 100029922. And then I got at Lids, I got this New York Yankees hat with the military green. I got this LA Lakers hat with all the patches on it. And then I got this original style Los Angeles Lakers hat with the original yellow or gold and purple. And then I got this Chicago Bulls hat that I thought was really neat. It's got a leather top. So please rate, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you like these videos. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.